Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 and let me show you top tricks for the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start with the first one. So let me show you the really powerful app on this device, the security. Let me open the security, and here you can accomplish a couple of useful operations. So you can optimize your device just by clicking the optimize button. The device clearing cache, making some security stuff and other operation. So the optimization is done. Here you've got the report. Let's go back. You can also use the boost speed, so you can speed up your system just by tapping boost speed, and the device is boosting the MIUI system. Let's go back. You can also use the cleaner and clean the memory. Also just by one clicking, let's choose cleanup to remove the trash files. And what's also really interesting, you may perform the security scan, so you can make sure that your device doesn't have any viruses and any risks. In my case, everything looks good. Alright, let's go back and let me show you the second trick, the test mode. So if you would like to check out if your device works perfectly, so if you would like to test your hardware features, let's just open the phone's dialer and let's use this code *# 6466 free ###, and hardware test pops up. Here you can test, for example, the version of your device. If everything is correct, let's choose pass. The light sensor, you can retest everything if you would like to, or you may also go back and, for example, choose the key light, LCD black light, receiver. Let me, for example, test the receiver. As you can see, the receiver is working with the female voice. Let me tap pass. And also you can test the speaker, camera, SD card, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a lot of more features. Okay, let's go back. Let's go for the third trick, the second space. So if you would like to use some separate space, let's choose settings, scroll down and choose second space. So you can create a separate space on your phone just by using this key, turn on second space. The device is creating the second space, so it will be like you have two devices in one. Let's just tap continue. The space is created. You can set the password or you can skip it. Here you can handle with some notifications. Let me tap OK to default options, and here you can keep some personal stuff, some photos. You can here organize your device into spaces, and if you would like to move data, let's use move data option. For example, you can import photos, files, contacts, and you can also export all things. And if you would like to quit the second space, let's just use the switch, and the device is switching into the third space. And what's also really interesting, you can of course remove the second space just by using the following icon and just by tapping delete. So that's it. Now let me also show you the tools of the Xiaomi. Let me show you the following folder tools, and here you can use a couple of really interesting tools such as the scanner. So this is the really advanced scanner, so you can here, sorry, let me of course allow the scanner to have access to these options. You can here scan QR code, business card or document. Alright, let's go back. You can also use the screen recorder. Just use this icon and tap to start right here. The device is record the screen, but you need to hold it for a second. Let me quit it. Alright, you can also use here compass. Let's just allow a couple of things. And you can use the simple recorder and other tools. Alright, let's go back, and now let me show you the last trick, the quick ball. So let's choose settings, scroll down, choose additional settings, choose quick ball. Let's turn on quick ball, and here you can use this quick ball right here, and you can, for example, make screenshot by the quick ball. You can select your personal shortcut. Your personal shortcuts, here you've got all possibility right here. You can for example, enable Bluetooth by the following quick bolt. You can enter the one-handed mode. Let me tap turn on. So as you can see right now, if I use my quick bolt, I can use one-handed mode, and I can also quit it by using the outside area. So basically that's it. This is the quick bolt. To disable the quick bolt, let's use the same switcher, and that's it. Now you can use your device in a normal way. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.